guys! So in this video we've got my Traxxas X-Max 8S and I'm testing out these capacitor banks here. Apparently they make it so that the ESCs has got less of a hard time. Some people say it makes it go faster, some people say it gives it more throttle response, other people say it all runs cooler. I don't know, I'm sceptical, but I'm going to give it a go anyway just to see what happens. So I've soldered these connectors on here so I can put them in line, so I can try it with and without. Also, I've got some brand new wheels and tyres to try out. So these are from powerhobby.com. So we're going to sling them on and give them a go. 779 grams and a stock tyre 614, so a little bit of extra weight there, a little bit taller than a stock tyre and a little bit wider. The trouble is with the stock tyres, although I really do love them, they can balloon and expand, and if they balloon too much then they can blow the rubber off and you've destroyed your tyres. Now with these ones they're actually belted, so it's got belts running on the inside of these tyres and it stops them or minimises the ballooning. Boom! So this truck's running on a Hobbywing Max 6 ESC and we're using these Turnigy Rapid Lipos. I'm going to put a link to all of this stuff down below, so if you want to know where we can get it from, Technobabble, blah blah blah, link to all of that lot down below. We've got the cat pack on there, no idea if it's going to make a difference or not. There it is, all wired in. So I'm going to give it a little blast like this, and then we're going to give it a blast without it, and see if we can notice any difference. Oh, that's fire stuff out the back, doesn't it? Oh! Ah, game over. So we got a new part and luckily these are super easy to fit. You literally remove one screw from the centre, yank it out, slide in the new one, screw it back in and boom. Alright, enough waffle, let's go. We're going to do speed runs. We're going to see if the capacitors make any difference. Do you reckon they're going to make any difference? Nah. No, well, I can't see it, but so many people say they make a big difference. Here we go, speed pass number 1. Oh no! Oh, tumble wumble! Oh, that's 4 speed meter! Oh, that was 50. Oh man, it's grazed it though. Should we try it again, but take the capacitor off? And we'll just go without, see if that makes any difference. All right, so that was 50 mile an hour with the capacitor pack. Now it's without, and this guys is brand new. Look at it, we've already caned it. I normally put hot glue on there, but if you want to know where you can get this from, it's going to be a link down below. So to reset it, we have to hit enter a couple of times. There we go. What do you reckon? Same speed again?
No, I reckon 51.
You reckon 51? What do you reckon the capacitors are slowing it down?
Nah, no.
Here we go.
And that doesn't seem as quick.
What do we get? 50, bang on.
Aye.
All right, so Vinny, do you want to have a little go? Just see what you reckon with general drivability. Oh, bring it back on. This GPS off of here, we're going to slaughter it. Neow.
See, mine wouldn't do that.
Is it not?
No, why?
It might just go in back.
See, it's got so much grunt. It's not like mine.
Nail it. Easy. How about a funk shot? Oh, should we put the capacitor back in, see if there's any difference?
Another car coming.
Is there any difference?
I know, it's hard to tell with that. Oh no!
Oh, Vinny killed it. How did you even break it? You never even hit anything really.
No, I think it was a backflip, wasn't it?
And it was breaking before?
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, I've not broken a top arm in years. That's the first top arm in a long while. Right, we'll get it fixed and then we'll get it back out. We got Martin in the house with his Creighton. I've got the capacitor pack in there. We got Keelan in the house. He's in charge and he's making sure that Dad's behaving. So my one is running stock motor. Martin's got the Hobbywing Max 5 combo. Man, this is proper windy today, so hopefully the audio's not too bad. Alright, who's going to win? How many laps are we doing?
3.
3 laps. 3 laps?
3.
Alright, go on then, count us down.
3, 2, 1, done!
Oh! Twice? Oh!
Wow!
This is complete. Oh yeah, we're off.
Wow!
Oh, it's cut out.
Definitely having technical issues.
We have to investigate. Guys, it's windy today. Alright guys, we're back in action. Radio batteries went flat. Ready, steady, go, 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 go. Oh, we got Ian in the way. Got Martin next to us. Oh, Martin's out. Oh dear. Could we get the win? How many laps we're doing? Alright, 2 laps. Hey, we're in the lead. We're in the lead. Oh, Ian's cheated. No, it's not Ian. Martin's cheated. Oh dear. Martin's caught up. No, not having that.
Martin's cheated. Martin overtook the style.
And we take the win. Oh, Ian takes the win.
I win.
Oh, we're getting tangled. We're getting tangled. Can we win? And oh yes, we win. He won. Yes, Keelan knows. All right, so now we've got the capacitor off. We're going to give it another blast and see how that does. Sorry, everyone. What's everyone waiting for?
3, 2, 1, go!
We're in the lead. Oh no, we're in second. Oh, we are in. Oh no, Martin. Oh, Martin's taking us out. There's a pile up. All right, we're in the lead. Oh, Marty's making up ground. Oh no, last few bends. Oh no, oh come on. It's getting close, it's getting close, it's getting close. Oh no, oh yes, we win, we win. That was a good one, that one. Guys, I can't tell any difference between capacitor and no capacitor. Now, I know some professionals out there definitely going to tell the difference, but I can't. Martin to the moon! So far, I haven't noticed any difference at all. There's no difference in top speed. There didn't seem to be any difference in performance or anything like that. So for me, it made no difference having it on there and not having it on there. So let me know in the comments, guys, what other tests you want to see me do to see if it actually does make a difference. I know some people say it makes the ESCs run cooler. It's supposed to level out the voltages so you don't get the spikes. But in the real world, I'm not really sure what difference that's going to make. I know a lot of people use them in the speedrun cars. So just let me know in the comments, guys. What difference should it make? Have you tested it? What differences have you seen? And what should I do to test it to see if it actually makes any difference in the real world? Anyway, talking of speed builds, I'm just waiting to get the 2 MGM speed controllers for this. It's going to have 2 speed controllers in here that can do 15S each. So this is going to get even faster. I know a lot of you guys are sceptical and you're saying, no, this will never do 200 miles an hour. Maybe you're right, maybe you're wrong. But whatever the reason is was holding it back, we can modify it. If the tyres don't hold up, we can modify the tyres. If the aerodynamics are not there, we can change it. Guys, it's an ongoing project. My goal is to get it to over 202 miles an hour so we can get the world record. Maybe we'll do it, maybe we won't, but I'm going to keep going until we do. So make sure you subscribe and smash the bell so you don't miss it.